G students, now come to the page number 69. There are some introductory words. Introductory words are it and there. Just like let us translate these sentences into, just like you are seeing, there are some sentences in Urdu. Just like first one, अब 7 बजे हैं. Now its English translation, it is 7 o'clock. कल बारिश हुई. It rained yesterday. कमरे में 10 लड़के हैं. There are 10 boys in the classroom. बाग में फूल ना थे. There were no flowers in the garden. So students, these are the introductory words which we use for making sentence. If we skip it and there, then it will be quite funny to say incomplete sentences. So now there is a exercise. The first one, if we see, आज सख्त गर्मी है. So now its English translation, today it is very hot, or we can say it is very hot today. शाम हो गई है. It is evening. मेज़ पर कोई किताब नहीं है. There is no any book on the table. Okay. So students, there are some sentences. So you have to translate by yourself. It will be good for you. I already say practice makes man perfect. So now come to the next page. Use of is, am, are and was word. Study the model sentences. These are the model sentences. Just like पाकिस्तान मेरा प्यारा वतन है, मैं पाकिस्तानी लड़का हूँ, वो तमाम अच्छे तालिब इल्म हैं. Pakistan is my dear homeland. I am a Pakistani boy. They are all good students. Like these sentences, we will use these helping verbs. So these are the model sentences. And the next one, in negative sentences, we use not. Simply we will use not after the verb. Just like किताबें मेज़ पर नहीं हैं, books are not on the table. Just like ये किताब दिलचस्प ना थी, this book was not interesting. So now comes to the next, interrogative form. What is interrogative form? In which we use helping verb at the beginning level. So just like क्या धूप तेज है, is the sun hot. If I make it affirmative, just like a simple sentence, if I say धूप तेज है, so it will be the sun is hot. But now here in the form of interrogative sentence, is the sun hot. क्या पानी ठंडा है, is the water cold. क्या सेब मीठा फल है, is apple a sweet fruit. Now here is also another exercise for the model sentences, and they are negative and interrogative form. You have to write all the sentences by yourself, and there are some vocabulary words below this exercise. Now students, come to the next page, lesson number 3. Use of has and have. Study the model sentences. Just like इसके पास एक चाकू है. He has a knife. लड़की के पास चाबियाँ हैं. The girl has keys. Students, here the has and have are used just like a possessive form. Just like the last one, the क्या गरीब आदमी साइकिल नहीं रखता है. Has a poor man no bicycle. Okay. You see, both has and have point to the owner of something. Here are some possession form. Owner of something, we use has for a third person. Singular subject and have for I and plural subjects. Students, notice this point. We use has for third person, singular subject, and have for I and plural subjects. Okay, just like in this exercise, the first one statement, लड़कों के पास चंद किताबें हैं. Now I will translate in English. Boys have a few books. The second, मेरे बटुए में कुछ नहीं. I have nothing in my wallet. Third one, कुत्ते के गले में खूबसूरत पट्टा है. Dog has beautiful collar in its neck. Now students, you will complete this exercise by yourself, and there are also some vocabulary words you will use if you don't know about the difficult words meaning in English. So now the next page, use of head. Use of head. इसके पास एक छड़ी थी. Use of head means we will if the something work has been done in past, so we will use had in the modal sentences. So इसके पास छड़ी थी. He had a stick in his hand. हमारे बाग के इर्द गिर्द एक बाड़ थी. बाड़, fence we can say, hedge we can say. Our garden had a hedge around it. फकीर के पास एक प्याला था. The beggar had a bowl. जी students, in these sentences, in these modal sentences, we are using had. First of all, I will tell you it is used to show possession, just like has and have. So it is used to show possession or ownership of something, but in past. In the case of has and have, we will talk about the present, but in the case of had, it will be possession and ownership of something, but in past. So here is also another exercise. किसान के पास दरांती ना थी. I will translate in English into English like the farmer had not sickle. Second one, तुम्हारे भाई के पास पिस्तौल ना था. Your brother had not pistol. हमारा नौकर बंदूक का लाइसेंस नहीं रखता था. Our servant had not license of gun. So students, you have to complete all these sentences by yourself. In the next page, there are some vocabulary words you can use where you want to use. Okay students, your first lecture now has been done. Hope so you have learned better, and you can be better by practice. Okay, Allah Hafiz.